In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a double arrow in Excalidraw. Start by opening your browser and heading to excalidraw.com. When the page loads, you'll see a clean blank canvas if you haven't opened a pre-made drawing. This space is where we'll build the effect. Excalidraw is straightforward, so once you know where the basic tools live, this will go quickly. First, create a standard arrow. Look along the top toolbar for the arrow tool. It looks like a simple line with a pointed tip. Click it to activate the tool. Before you draw, you can set the stroke color and thickness from the toolbar so your arrow looks the way you want. Now click on the canvas, drag in the direction you want, and release to place the arrow. If you want a perfectly straight arrow, hold the Shift key while dragging to lock the angle horizontally or vertically. That gives you your base arrow, which we're going to use to build the double arrow look. Here's the key part. Excalidraw doesn't offer a single built-in double-headed arrow, so you can't switch one arrow into a double by toggling a setting. Instead, you create the effect by adding a second arrow that points the opposite way along the same path. With the arrow tool still active, position your cursor at the end of the first arrow where you want the second arrowhead to appear. Click and drag back in the opposite direction, following the same line as closely as possible, and release when the second arrow reaches the other end. Hold Shift again if you want to keep it perfectly straight. Aim to match the length and angle so the two shafts overlap neatly. If they look a bit misaligned, zoom in and nudge one of them until the lines sit right on top of each other. Use the same color and stroke weight for both arrows so they appear as a single, clean, double-headed arrow. If you notice a slightly darker area where the two lines overlap, that's expected. You're seeing both arrows stacked together. Matching their length and position closely helps minimize any visible seam. If you need to move the double arrow, drag a selection around both arrows and move them together so they stay aligned. To adjust the look, select one arrow at a time and tweak the stroke thickness or color from the toolbar. Then mirror those settings on the other arrow for consistency. And that's it. By drawing one standard arrow and then adding a second one that points back, you've created a clear polished double arrow in Excalidraw.